Rent-to-own homes in Atlanta might sound like the magical bridge between renting and owning, but what's the catch? Well, just like any dream come true, there are bumps along the road. How do you navigate it all without hitting a pothole? In a rent-to-own agreement, you rent the home for a set period, typically 2 to 5 years. During this time, you pay rent and an additional option fee, which gives you a first shot at buying the house at the end of the lease. The big advantage here is that part of your rent payments goes toward the purchase price. It's like you're both renting and putting down your mortgage from day one. Um, and this hybrid approach helps when you're very, not fully financially prepared to buy right now. So, however, you're committing to buy the house eventually, which sounds great until you realize life's unpredictable. Um, what if your job relocates you to Portland, and then you're stuck between a rock and a mortgage? Speaking of rocks, the cost of renting to own might feel like chucking pebbles, one at a time. Monthly rent and fees often exceed simple renting, and there's that option fee, typically between 1 and 5% of the home's price. A huge elephant in the room is the eligibility criteria. Rent-to-own agreements often target people with flawed credit. It can be your stepping stone, but it requires discipline and steadily improving credit scores. Home repairs are another lurking shadow. Unlike standard rental agreements, in a rent-to-own, maintenance might be your responsibility. So when the roof leaks, it's not always the landlord you call, it's you reaching for the ladder. If you choose this path, get everything in writing, nail down every detail of your agreement, from option fees to who fixes what. Clarity is your ally. This makes or breaks your smooth transition to homeownership. Pro tip, leverage a knowledgeable real estate agent who understands Atlanta's market terrain. They can guide you through the process and avoid common pitfalls that might trip you up. Think of them as your GPS in a sometimes foggy field. Conduct a thorough inspection of the property before entering into an agreement. The true state of the house has real implications for your financial future, and a well-aimed investment now saves you from unexpected surprises later. Timing matters too. The Atlanta market trends like the tides. Knowing when to commit enhances your chances of a favorable outcome. The wrong timing increases your risk, whereas a good time leverages your options. If you're considering this route, ask yourself, is the house everything you want? Visualize this place as your future 5-year home. No sense paying good money for a place that's not the right fit. Remember, it's your journey. While rent to own in Atlanta might be the path, it's about your convenience and comfort. Transitions like these should be exciting, not stressful. Explore, question, plan, and ensure it aligns with your long-term vision.